Hello everyone, and in this video I will guide you how you can convert or swap USDT to TRX on Trust Wallet. So first of all, start by opening up your Trust Wallet and log into your account. And then there are actually two ways. Either you can use the official swap option from the Trust Wallet, or you can use a third-party swap application like Uniswap or Jupiter Exchange or any other application. Now in the Trust Wallet, you just need to select the swap and then you just need to select USD. In the to section, you just need to click on the search icon and search for TRX. Now once you search for this, you just need to click and then you just need to enter the amount that you want to go with. Once you are done, click on the settings on the top right and make sure that these options are according to your will, and then you just need to confirm the transaction. Now if this show you a route not available, this might fix itself few hours later. But if you want to go with any other exchange, you just need to search for it and the process will going to be similar. You just need to connect your Trust Wallet and then you just need to select USD and TRX and enter the amount, see the slippage fee and all of that stuff, and you're good to go. So hope this helped. This is how you can convert or swap USDT to TRX on Trust Wallet.